Hey guys, Chris here from Excel Maven, and I want to take a minute to talk about thinking outside the box. When it comes to data visualization, Excel offers the tools and capabilities to do some incredibly creative and sophisticated things. Most people never realize this because they're stuck thinking in terms of the same old chart templates and tools. But with a little creative thinking, you can build some really cool things in Excel. Things like image overlay charts built with your own graphics, or area charts that actually animate over time with the click of a button. You can design charts with value-based formatting and even combine different chart types in creative ways to build things like this custom gauge. Now, if you want full hands-on demos showing how each of these charts and tools were built, head on over to my Udemy course on advanced Excel charts and graphs, available for a discount through the link below. You'll find all of these demos plus a ton of other data viz tips and tricks, downloadable files, one-on-one support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. I'll see you there.